Ever wondered why a basketball arcs in the air before it hits the net? Or why a stone thrown into a lake follows a certain trajectory before it splashes? Welcome to the fascinating world of projectile motion, an essential Class 11 physics concept. It's time to dive into the science behind these everyday phenomena. Buckle up, as we're about to take a leap into the unknown. Safety comes first in any field, so don your safety goggles and gloves, and let's embark on this journey of discovery. Projectile motion occurs when an object is projected into a field without any propulsion. Today, a bouncing ball experiment will help unravel the mysteries of this motion and analyze its characteristics. Bring in the bouncing ball, set up the motion tracker, and prepare the stage for the experiment. Observe the path traced by an object when it's launched into the air. Launch the bouncing ball. Watch as it carves its path and notice the factors influencing its trajectory. Remarkable, isn't it? The projectile traced a parabolic path. Analyzing this path and its motion helps understand how speed and direction influence its trajectory. Projectile motion isn't confined to a laboratory. It's evident in the world around us. From a cricket ball thrown in the air to a rocket launched into space, instances of projectile motion are ubiquitous. Understanding projectile motion illuminates how an object determines its path during high-speed motion. This comprehension aids in real-world situations as well. If this experiment piqued your interest, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know which physics concept you'd like to explore next in the comments. Keep engaging with physics, and we'll meet again in the next experiment.